What is up, Sideways fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day you've all been waiting for. The IROC RS Camero is done, and we're going to be getting it on the dyno right now. We actually had a dyno earlier this morning. We were able to fit two in today. Thank you to Danny. Big shout out. He doesn't do that for anybody, only on special occasions for us. But Issac's Camero is going to be getting dyno today. We're going to be going for 500 horsepower. If we overachieve and hit something more than that, great. If we hit only 500, that's all we're looking for regardless. Car's completely ready. It looks super awesome. When we get to Apexi, we'll go ahead and do a quick little roll by, a little B-roll for you guys, and we'll be getting right into it. I'll do some rollers of the car getting there. The customer will meet us at dyno. The customer's gonna meet us later after T-step, but let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and get over there. I think homie needs some brake pads on that car. Sounds like his brakes are making a gang of noise in the back. 380 horsepower, 350 torque. That was the first full pull. It's doing pretty good. I think his turbo itself actually may be leaking from the cartridge in here. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and like monitor everything just to keep an eye on everything, because it is smoking while doing the pull. So maybe part of the issue too is that it's leaking oil inside of the actual rear housing. So we'll see if we can get it on video. Plus I'm just gonna keep an eye on everything. Probably have the customer change something better in the future, because this is a pretty old turbo with old technology. Should be going for about 14 PSI right now, from 11 to 14. So we should break that 400 barrier, which is pretty much where we leave everybody on their pump gas tune for anything JZ related. Just 400 horsepower on pump gas is great. You're gonna make your power on E85 anyways. So we're gonna go ahead and make the 4, get it on E, and then just see what she does. Pretty sure this old Borg Warner is dying, but yeah. You made 400. So we just drained out the 91, went through this side of the regulator because Danny has one of those cool fittings over here, and that's all out. We're gonna go ahead and put the 12 gallons of the 85 we got in there in the car. Putting that bro juice, boom boom juice.
Bartender's delight.
Ooh, there you go. That's a good one. It's a new one. What do you think, Gamora? Gamora, Bartender Delight. That good? That good one? Yeah, good one, girl? That 60 horsepower you always get on the changeover from the E85 from 91. So 463, that's awesome. This fool's turbo is like just dying right now. It's freaking hilarious. It's like a chimney. I'm gonna film it just for the hell of it. It's pretty bad. Cool guys, so we are done. Car's getting set back up with the wheels. This is what the car ended up making. I just walked the wrong way and now Caden's in my way. Katie. Hello? Hello?
I made 529.
Oh, 529?
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Can you see it from here?
I just know.
Okay, let's see. 529.
Damn.
400 and I think it says 486. I gotta get closer. I'm gonna step on you. Yeah, it was 486. I was right. Alrighty guys, so customer's here to pick up his car. He's super stoked on it. Got to go ahead and drive it with Caden. Super happy that we got the opportunity to work on this vehicle. It was really badass. We're gonna be seeing a lot more of this car. He should be going to Vegas with us for Supras. You know, fingers crossed if it all ends up happening. But all nice and done. 2jz Camero, guys. If you guys have any questions or concerns or things you guys want to learn about, feel free to reach out, to message me. You need any help with anything, go ahead and hit us up through Instagram, or you can look us up online and get our number that way or whatever. But till next time, guys, peace.